Welcome to ArtMagic.
Drawing the beloved Cookie Monster from Sesame Street can be a fun and educational activity for kids. Draw 2 large circles on top of the oval, overlapping slightly. These are Cookie Monster's eyes. Inside each eye, draw a smaller circle towards the top. These are the pupils, and they should be looking in different directions to give Cookie Monster a playful look. Draw a wide, curved line below the eyes for the mouth. The mouth should be a large, open curve. Draw a larger oval below the head for the body. Cookie Monster's body is big and round. Draw 2 long, curved lines extending from the sides of the body for the arms. Make them look fluffy by adding small, jagged lines. In one of Cookie Monster's hands, draw a round shape for the cookie. Add small circles inside the cookie to represent chocolate chips. Once you're happy with your pencil drawing, carefully trace over it with a black marker or pen. This makes your Cookie Monster stand out and prepares it for coloring. Use a bright blue color to fill in Cookie Monster's head, body, arms, and legs. Make sure to leave the eyes white. Use black to fill in the pupils and the inside of the mouth. Color the tongue red or pink. Once you're done, show your drawing to your family and friends. You can even hang it up on your wall or refrigerator. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, you know, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.